to log out from Firebase Studio account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from Firebase Studio account. For that, first of all, you will need to open any web browser where you've been logged into your Firebase Studio. Once you open it, in the search bar type in studio.firebase.google.com. Now press on the enter key to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Firebase where you are logged into your account. Since Firebase uses your Google account in order to sign in, so you will need to click on the profile or the Google account icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you locate it, simply click on it, and then here you will need to simply click on the sign out button in order to sign out from your Firebase account. Once after doing that, you'll be able to see this pop-up. It indicates that you have logged out from your Firebase Studio account. In the future, if you would like to log in back to your account, you may simply click on the sign in again button right here, and then you'll be able to log into your Firebase account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.